Assalomu alaykum hurmatli kuzatuvchilar. Maktabimizga xush kelibsiz. Bugun sizlarga maktabimizda o'quvchilar o'zlari tomonidan uyushtirilgan muzeyni tanishtirmoqchiman. Muzeyimizdagi barcha eksponatlar va buyumlar maktabimiz o'quvchilari tomonidan olib kelindi. Tarixiy buyumlar, urush yillariga oid xotiraviy eksponatlar va san'at asarlari ushbu muzeyimizdan joy olgan. Eng qiziqarli tomoni, muzey to'laqonli o'quvchilar tomonidan tashkil etildi. Muzeyga kirishga chipta sotib olish hamda xuddi muzeydagi kabi qo'riqchilar va muzey xodimlari hammasi o'quvchilarimiz tomonidan tashkil qilindi. Ushbu muzey o'quvchilarimizga nafaqat tashkil qilish qobiliyatlarini shakllantiruvchi imkoniyat, balki yaqin tariximizga nazar solish va o'rganishga ajoyib dars bo'ldi.
Special jug, it was my grandmother's great granddad.
Welcome to our museum. This is a photo and picture album. My grandfather drew it himself in 1988. My uncle brought this from Jordan. He said also jugs. They were my grandmom. She used them as a flower jug.
These daggers are 100 years old. They are about our country's history.
These sculptures were from Bukhara by my grandmom.
This is an old cassette recorder. Such recorders were popular in 19th and 20th century. The music was played with the help of this kind of cassettes. They stored audio, video, and even computer data.
These headgears were brought by my father. They belonged to prehistoric times and they were worn by ancient Egyptian women.
These are traditional items of clothing worn by our ancestors. This type of clothing represents Uzbek dressing culture of 19th century.
This is an old roller. Before, when there were no special machines to clean the cotton, it was used to extract the cotton from its wool. Just like this. Take a look at the ready material.
Bu oddiy tadbir emas. Bu o'quvchilarimizning ilk mustaqil qadamlaridan biri edi. O'zlari izlanishdi, o'zlari amalga oshirishdi. Va eng muhimi, bu ular uchun maktab yillaridan unutilmas xotira va kelgusi loyihalar uchun ishonch baxsh etdi.